So hopefully you got some ideas of how you can use Answer the Public and that you feel comfortable that you don't have to do every single question, but it can be an incredible way for you to know what people in your genre are already looking for. You can type in anything. You can type in real estate investing. You can type in Bitcoin. You can type in crypto. You can type in blockchain. You can type in Windows. You can type in housing. You can type in flowers, and you can find out what are people wanting to know in your space. And then you can create a podcast based on that. That can kind of help you in your business and make some of that content a little bit easier and also support you in making that content calendar, which was B. So C was Answer the Public. D is solo episodes. And basically, if you're creating content and you're trying to support people, I believe that some of your content should be some solo episodes. So what are the considerations on these solo episodes? Some people call them monologues. One consideration that I would have for you is to not think of it so much as like a monologue, but to think of it more almost as a dialogue. If you're thinking of it as a monologue when you're just basically talking at somebody or talking to somebody, it will probably come across a little bit wrong. But if you think of it more of like a dialogue where you're having a conversation with somebody, where you're pouring into them, when you're understanding them, when you're looking at them in the eye, when you think of it that way, it's going to support you to be a lot better podcaster. So when we go back to A, being your avatar, generally when I work with clients, we will have a conversation where we talk about who that avatar is. And sometimes I'll recommend to my client that they will actually take a photograph of their avatar. One way to think of your avatar is the best client you've ever worked with, or the perfect person that you think you could add value to, that might work with you or hire the advertisers. You want to narrow it down to that one person. And then you basically take that person and you can put a photograph of maybe you call it Sarah is your avatar. Sarah, let's just say Sarah is this race, Sarah is this age, Sarah has this job title. Whatever it is, you will understand Sarah really, really well. And then you actually go and find a picture of Sarah and put that picture on your screen so that anytime you're recording content, you remember that you're really just having a dialogue with Sarah. You're really just pouring into her. You're having a good conversation with her, answering the things that she needs and not speaking above her head or dumbing it down too much either. You want to make sure that you are pouring into Sarah in the best way you could.